let us now explore another command called press pull command. So the press pull command, it says here, it presses or pulls bounded areas. So it must be the bounded areas that can be in whether coming from a 2D plane or from a 3D, from area or sides of a 3D solids. Okay, so you can something like an extrude, except that except that for 3D objects already, you can either extend that face or lengthen that face of the object, of the solid object, or you can also decrease that length of that face right here. So what I mean by that is, let's say, let's use this conceptual, and then I'm going to click this press pull. So click this, it says select object or bounded areas. So if it is already a solid, we know that a solid has a bounded area, and that corresponds to the sides of the solid. So let's say here, that's one area, this is another area, this is another area. So there's a lot of areas in a solid. This one is also an area, but coming from a 2D curves or closed curves. So closed curves will be considered as a bounded area. So if we select this face right here, so you see that you can have a visual says here visual response or feedback, visual feedback as you move the cursor after selecting a 2D object or an area. So you can just type, you can just extend the this portion of this area. You can extend that, or you can also reduce that, right? So instead of doing another 2D plane or close to the close to the curves, instead of doing that and extruding, you can have this simplified commands using press pull. So if you select this, so you can actually do a lot of it from it. Okay, so next one is, let's try from a 2D bounded by a 2D curve. So click press pull again, and then select this bounded area, and you can see something like an extrude command, but somehow we can say something like it can shortcut if we want to extend this portion. So okay, press undo again, press pull command, and then something like that.